Namaste, I'm SUSHMITA Sen from a country where love is the essence of life, India!
I'm passionate about writing poetry. I'm not very expressive with people, and sometimes I find it easier to put down my thoughts and my emotions on a piece of paper.
Now, I heard you say earlier during the Parade of Nations that your country, in your country, love is the essence of life. What did you mean by that?
Well, India is a country that everybody knows has multinational people, as in people with different languages, people with different religions, and we have about 168 languages, and people all live together. And there is, to quite an extent, a lot of peace, which is very difficult with so many religions staying together, and that is why I said love is the essence of life in India. Well, I think every human being must have two faces. It's very essential, one which you have for people in public, and one which you have for yourself, because these two different things, when mixed together, makes you a person who has just a personality which is fit for everybody else but not for one's own self. And I think it's very essential that you have a private side to yourself. I have it too. Well, I think adventure for me is something that I enjoy from within me, and I think children are the little things that can really bring in a lot of adventure in your life. And if I had the time and the money and I could do something, I wouldn't say I would do something for the children who are downtrodden. Any child is worth its while. I would do something for the children so I could enjoy my time with them, go out and have a good time. I think being a woman by itself, the very fact that you're a woman is a gift of God, which all of us must appreciate. The origin of a child is a mother and is a woman. And a woman is the one who shares love, and who shares and shows a man what love, caring, sharing is all about. That is the sense of a woman.
Miss India, you are the new Miss Universe